Hi guys, Dheeraj Sharma here and welcome back to our brand new Clash Royale episode in which I'm gonna show you the awesome Sparky glitch. The glitch is that the tornado plus Sparky gives you a very long range of Sparky, which I'm gonna show you now. So see this thing. So the match starts now. I give him a thumbs up so that he knows that I'm ready with one of my cards, that is freeze. Yeah, so let this go well. I first destroy his two towers and then we'll shoot into the king tower. Okay, no, I'm sorry. Okay, now see this guy. Sparky has been loaded and he's moving towards the king tower. I'm ready with my freeze. Sparky sets onto the tower. I freeze this and it pulls back and boom. Okay, so this was a fail. No problem. No problem. This was a fail. So I'm ready with my Sparky and freeze too. And yeah, I put down the skeleton army because I hate that Inferno Tower. Okay, so we are done here. I put down the Sparky. Okay, so we are ready here, guys. We are ready. Spark is moving towards the King Tower. And yeah, I zap that tower and Sparky, boom, shoots this thing. I freeze the King Tower. He pulls the Sparky back and see the Sparky's ring. Boom. That was an awesome Sparky shot. So yeah, I'll show you once again. But this would be a short range. Short range. So I'm ready with my Sparky. He is only ready with his tornado, not the zap. So we would first destroy both the arena towers. Oh man. He would fireball that. So I'm ready with my Sparky and freeze both, and I give him a thumbs up so that he understands that I'm ready with my both the cards. Yeah. So he put down a Inferno Tower, which I hate. So the skeleton army is the best for Inferno Tower. So he just plays down the lightning, but not so good effect. 187 left. I put down a witch and a zap. Oh yeah, tower destroyed. Okay, now the Sparky play begins. Let the elixir bar fill. Yeah, Sparky goes down. Okay, I give him a good leg so that he knows what to do and he does it properly. Okay. Let's see, guys. Sparky is moving towards the tower. Fully charged. So yeah, he's ready. King Tower's on shot. Sparky is set on the tower. I freeze it. He zaps it and the short range, guys, he pulls. Oh man, see the range of the Sparky. So it was so less. Man, that was awesome. And I end up this match. Which was an awesome one. Yo guys. So you can try this with your friends, and please like the video and comment down below how was it. And yeah, thanks for watching. Goodbye.